So, you're thinking about joining the Monzo hype train, huh? Great choice. But wait, there's one little hurdle before you can start spending like a boss: verification. How long does it actually take? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, it's just a simple ID check, right? How long can it really take? Well, buckle up, because the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. While Monzo boasts a speedy verification process, the reality can vary wildly. Let's start with the ideal scenario. You're a model citizen with perfect documentation. Your ID photo is clear as day, and your selfie is the epitome of confidence. In this dream world, Monzo's AI might just give you the green light in minutes. It's like getting an instant gratification fix, but for your finances. But let's be real, life isn't always a fairy tale. What if your ID photo is a bit blurry? Or maybe you accidentally blinked in your selfie. These seemingly minor details can send your verification process into a black hole. Suddenly, those minutes turn into hours, and hours into days. And then there's the dreaded manual review. If the AI isn't convinced, your application gets shuffled off to a human. Think of it like waiting in a long queue at the DMV, but with less paperwork. This can extend the verification process significantly. So, how long should you actually expect to wait? Well, Monzo says it can take up to 48 hours. But let's be honest, that's just a nice way of saying, who knows? Some lucky folks get verified in a flash, while others end up in verification purgatory. But fear not, there are things you can do to speed up the process. Make sure your ID is clear, well-lit, and not expired. For your selfie, find a well-lit spot and avoid sunglasses or hats. And if you're really impatient, try submitting your application during off-peak hours. Now, while waiting for verification can be frustrating, it's essential for security. Monzo wants to make sure you're actually you, and not some sneaky cybercriminal trying to steal your identity. So, while it might feel like an eternity, it's actually a good thing. But let's be honest, waiting is boring. So, while you're counting down the minutes, or hours, or days, why not binge watch your favorite show, catch up on your reading, or simply enjoy a much-needed break? Remember, this too shall pass. And there you have it, the great Monzo verification mystery. While it can be a frustrating experience, it's a necessary evil. Just remember, patience is a virtue, and eventually, you'll be sipping that sweet, sweet Monzo nectar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.